How you can fix WhatsApp link not opening. If someone sends you a YouTube video link on your WhatsApp and it doesn't open, you can do the following to fix the problem. So let's see, if you send someone a YouTube video link, or someone sends you a link and if you try to tap on the link and it's not opening, then there might be a few problems that might have caused it. So first, if you click the link and it doesn't open, then what you can do is you can long press on this link and this will be copied, or you can select this message, tap on the three dot and tap on copy. If you paste it again, this will show up like this with the thumbnail of the video. You can resend it and tap on it to see if this opens the link. But if it still doesn't work, then you can do another thing is, again, you long press on this and copy the link. Then you will have to open any kind of browser. I'm just opening the Chrome, and then search, paste the link that you just copied. And once you open the link, this should open the video. And that's how you can easily fix a YouTube video link that's not working on your WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.